3 minutes push-ups. Push-ups are a great exercise to incorporate into your daily routine because they target multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. By doing push-ups regularly, you can improve your overall strength and endurance, as well as increase muscle definition. One of the biggest advantages of doing push-ups every day is that they require no equipment and can be done anywhere. This makes them a convenient and effective workout option for those with busy schedules or limited access to a gym. To do a perfect push-up, start by getting into a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself down by bending your elbows until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push yourself back up to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the movement and avoid arching or sagging your back. It's important to focus on proper form when doing push-ups to prevent injury and maximize results. If you're new to push-ups, push-ups are a great way to build strength and endurance in your upper body, core, and even lower body. By doing them consistently and pushing yourself to do as many as you can, you will gradually see improvements in your muscle tone, strength, and overall fitness level. It may be challenging at first, but with dedication and perseverance, you will start to notice progress in just a few months. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from any exercise routine. So keep pushing yourself and stay committed to your workouts, and you will soon reap the rewards of your hard work. One advantage of a 3-minute push-up routine is that it can be easily incorporated into a busy schedule. With just 3 minutes, you can quickly get in a good workout that targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, and triceps. This short but intense burst of exercise can help improve strength, endurance, and overall fitness levels. Additionally, the convenience of a 3-minute routine makes it more likely that you will stick to it consistently, leading to long-term health benefits.